Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an omelet new style. We'll cover everything from selecting your fresh ingredients to the final presentation. You'll learn the secrets to a perfectly tender and flavorful omelet, ready in just a few minutes. We'll focus on a classic technique that yields a beautiful, soft texture every time. Get ready to elevate your breakfast or brunch game with this simple yet elegant dish. The key to a fantastic omelet begins with the egg mixture. Crack 2 or 3 large, fresh eggs into a small bowl. Add a generous pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Now, whisk them vigorously for about 30 seconds until they are slightly frothy and well combined. Remember, for this new style, we avoid adding milk or water. This ensures a rich, pure egg flavor and a wonderfully tender texture. Next, let's master the cooking. Place a 10-inch nonstick pan over medium-high heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and let it melt until it's foamy and just starting to brown slightly. Pour in your whisked egg mixture. Let it set for about 10 seconds without stirring. Then, using a heat-resistant spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Repeat this a few times. For the grand finale, it's time to add your fillings and fold. Once the eggs are mostly set but still slightly moist on top, sprinkle your desired fillings, like cheese or herbs, onto one half of the omelet. Cook for another 15 to 20 seconds. Now, tilt the pan slightly, and with your spatula, gently fold the omelet onto itself. Slide this perfectly cooked, golden yellow creation onto a warm plate immediately. Enjoy your exquisite new style omelet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.